Amigo Loans, once a leader in guarantor lending, eventually collapsed under the weight of customer complaints. The complaints were a direct result of their lending model, which critics argued was predatory and irresponsible. The core of the complaints. The vast majority of complaints against Amigo Loans were centered on unaffordable lending. The Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, found that Amigo failed to adequately assess the financial situations of both borrowers and guarantors. This led to loans being approved for individuals who couldn't realistically afford the repayments. Borrower complaints. Borrowers often found themselves trapped in a cycle of debt. Many were topped up with new loans to pay off their existing ones, which only increased their total debt. Guarantor complaints. Guarantors, who were often family members or friends, were frequently required to step in and make payments when the borrower defaulted. Many guarantors claimed they were not properly informed of the risks and were financially unable to meet these obligations, which led to their own financial distress and damaged personal relationships. The legal and financial fallout. The flood of complaints led to an avalanche of legal and financial problems for Amigo. The company found itself facing a staggering number of claims, with the Financial Ombudsman Service, FOS, upholding a high percentage of them. Scheme of arrangement. To manage the overwhelming compensation bill, Amigo proposed a scheme of arrangement to cap the amount of money it would pay to customers. The first scheme was rejected by the High Court and the FCA, who argued it was unfair to customers and disproportionately benefited shareholders. Winding down. After a revised scheme was finally approved, Amigo failed to raise the necessary funds to implement it. This led to the company announcing in 2023 that it would cease all lending and begin an orderly wind down. The legacy of Amigo Loans. The story of Amigo Loans serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of irresponsible lending. The company's collapse highlights the importance of robust affordability checks and the need for consumer protection. The outcome also showed that regulators, like the FCA, were prepared to intervene to protect consumers from unfair practices, even if it led to a company's demise.